Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about how to find the area of sector and segment of a circle, which is a topic of chapter 12, area related to circle. So how we can define first of all the area of sector and segment. So here we have a circle of radius r whose center is O. A, B are the point on the circumference, then OA and OB be the radius of the circle, and P is any point on the arc AB. Then this shaded portion is known as the minor sector. We are talking about the sector first of all. So the portion which is enclosed by the two radii OA and OB and the corresponding arc are known as the minor sector, while the remaining portion of the circle is known as the major sector. ये वाला शेडेड पोर्शन माइनर सेक्टर है और ये वाला मेजर सेक्टर है. So this is all about the sector. Now move on to the segment. If we draw a chord AB to the circle, then this chord AB is dividing the entire circle into two portions. One of the portion is known as the minor segment and another portion is known as the major segment. Which one is the minor segment? The segment, this is enclosed by the chord and the corresponding arc OAPB. APB is the arc and AB is the chord. So the area between this portion is known as the minor segment, while the remaining portion of the circle is known as the major segment. Now, how we can define the minor and major segment in another way? The portion which contains the origin, is known as the major segment, while the portion which doesn't contain the origin is known as the minor segment. And if this chord is passing through from the center of the circle, it will divide the entire circle into two equal parts. That means the two equal parts are known as semicircle, which we have already learned in class 9. Now move on to the area of a circle. How we can finding out the area of a circle? So look at here. In this figure, we have a circle with radius r, which is OA. Then if we taking a complete revolution, we are starting from point A and taking a complete round, this will complete a complete angle. That is, and the complete angle measurement is 360 degree. Then, and we know that the area of the circle is equals to, how we can say it is pi r square. So the angle made at the center is this angle. Complete angle is 360 degree out of 360 degree. So 360 cancel out, and this is pi r square. So the area of the circle is, we have to know that it is capital A equals to pi r square. Now move on to the another figure, area of semicircle. Now clearly in this circle, this is AB is the biggest chord, which is known as the diameter of the circle also. So OA and OB are the radius of the circle. Then the angle between OA and OB, this is OA and OB, it is 180 degree. इनके बीच का एंगल कितना है? 180 degree. That means कंप्लीट साइकिल कंप्लीट करते पूरा तब तो होता है 360 डिग्री. this 180 कितने में से, out of 360 degree. So we have to written down here capital A equals to 360 180 upon 360 of pi r square. Cancel out, it is 180 dividing by 360, it is 1 by 2 pi r square. Hence the area of semicircle is always equals to pi r square. Move on to the another one. Look at here, area of the quadrant. So we have seen here clearly the center angle, here it is 180 degree, so area is 1 by 2 pi r square. Now here in this figure, this entire circle is to be dividing into 4 equal parts. That means OA, OB, OA dash and OB dash all are the radius of this circle. And we know that if these two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the center angle is of 90 degree. यहाँ पर center angle कितने डिग्री का बन रहा है, 90 डिग्री का बन रहा है. So that means we are shading here this portion only, the quadrant portion. Then the area of this shaded portion of the entire circle is equals to, center angle कितना बन रहा है, 90 degree. So capital A is equals to 90 degree upon 360 into pi r square. एरिया पूरे सर्कल का होता है पाई आर स्क्वायर ऑफ रेडियस आर. देन ओनली दिस शेडेड पोर्शन एरिया which is known as the quadrant, that is A equals to 1 by 4 pi r square. So here we have to conclude that if we are taking a complete revolution, complete 360 degree angle, area is pi r square. If we are moving at the center at 180 degree, the area is half of the pi r square. And if we are having the center angle is 90 degree between the two radius and the corresponding arc, then the area of this quadrant is 1 by 4 pi r square. In the similar manner, if we don't know about this particular angle 180 degree, 90 degree, suppose the area of the sector of angle theta, if this radius OA and OB and the corresponding arc APB is making, these two radius are making angle theta at the center, then the area of the sector of angle theta is equals to this angle theta out of 360. पूरा एंगल कितना होगा, 360 डिग्री का होगा. देन द एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर इज इक्वल्स टू theta upon 360 into pi r square. Suppose if this angle is 30 degree, then we have to written down it is 30 upon 360 into pi r square. That will give it, and the value of r is given to you. We can easily find out the area of this sector. Similarly, how we can finding out the area of minor segment? So what we have to doing, we have to finding out the area of sector first. ओ ए पी बी इसका एरिया फाइंड आउट करेंगे हम, और उसमें से ये जो ट्राइंगल बन रहा है, ट्राइंगल है हमारा ओ ए बी, इसका एरिया माइनस कर देंगे. वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग द एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल फ्रॉम द एरिया ऑफ दिस सेक्टर. वी कैन फाइंडिंग आउट द एरिया ऑफ दिस माइनर segment. If we want to finding out the area of major segment, we have to subtracting this minor segment area from the area of circle, and we can easily find out the area of this major segment. This is all about the area of sector and segment of a circle from the chapter 12, area related to circle. I hope you will understand the concept which I have discussed here. If you feel any query or difficulty, please ask me in the discussion forum on the website. I will clear your all the doubts. In this video, this is all about the area of sector and segment of a circle. Thank you. Thank you very much.